Hi there, buddy. Think you know it all? Well, did you know that sloths hide in the secret of scuba divers? Ha! Hold on. Today I'll tell you 5 facts you've probably heard 1,000 times, but never like this. Ready for some brain spam? Behold is a creature that invited vermin much earlier than humans did. But that's just a start. Today we will prove that nature is basically the OG inventor of weird life hack. Let's go! Imagine running a farm without ever watching YouTube tutorials. That's ants for you. Some species actually grow their own fungus, feeding it, and protected it like teeny agriculture bosses. Do humans think they are the only clever farmers with tractors and harvest? Ha! Some ants have been running agriculture for millions of years. They grow fungi in their underground farms. The process is flawless. Some ants bring the raw material, leaves which they chew into special substrate. Others make sure the fungal garden has the right temperature and humidity. And the others control pests, basically an ant version of the house inspector. It's basically IKEA, a giant underground hub where everything is perfectly organized. Only instead of wardrobes, mushrooms. So next time you proudly say, "I planted parsley on my windowsill," remember, ants have been in this business for ages and with no fertilizers needed. Now, from the micro-world to mega giants. The blue whale is the largest animal that has ever lived on Earth. If you're feeling small today, just remember, the heart of the blue whale weighs around 4,000 pounds. It's like having a motorcycle in your chest. And with every beat, it pumps enough blood to fill a swimming pool. The heartbeat is wild too. When diving, a whale's heart can slow down to just 2 beats per minute. In that time, you could already scroll 2 memes and think you should start workout. And fun fact, their heartbeat is so powerful, scientists can hear it from more than 1 mile away underwater. Talk about bass boost. And picture this. Its artery is so wild, a child could crawl through it. Pretty sure any kid who did that would instantly earn the title of first tourist inside the circulatory system. And now, some creepiness. Wasps can be annoying, but they've got skills. Some species can actually remember faces. Yeah, you've heard it right. They can identify and recall faces of other wasps, and sometimes even humans. So, if you swat one, don't be surprised if that body recognizes you later. Yep, they basically have their own version of Face ID. Scientists tested it. They showed wasps different faces, and the wasp remembered who had messed with them before. They could even tell friend from stranger. So, if last summer you were running around with a sleeper chasing wasps, don't be surprised if this year one of them hovers near you thinking, "Haha, this guy in the blue shirt, gotcha him this time." Honestly, scarier than the horror movies. At least in movies, it's actors, but here it's a real drug-holding wasp. Now meet the axolotl, the ultimate never-grow-up creature. These salamanders stay in their juvenile stage forever. Imagine being a teenager your whole life. If nature has sense of humor, the axolotl is its favorite joke. This little creature looks like someone hit pause on puberty. It stays a goofy teenager forever, with funny gills and smile. But there's the kicker. Axolotls have superpowers. They can regrow legs, tails, spinal cords, even parts of their heart and brain. Basically, it's a Wolverine from X-Men, but cuter, pink, and without the claws. Scientists have been trying to figure out how it works. Imagine if humans could do the same. They would be basically living cheat codes with regeneration. And for dessert, sloths. They can look like mascots of Netflix and chips. Slow, sleepy, total no rush. You think they are lazy? Well, plot twist. They can hold their breath longer than dolphins. They are champions. Sloths can hold their breath up to 40 minutes, longer than most marine mammals. Up to 40 minutes. That's right. While we're struggling after 1 minute, sloth can go underwater chilling like it's a spa day. But how? They slow their heart rate almost threefold, switching their bodies into energy-saving mode. Imagine falling into a pool and going like, okay, I will just chill here for half an hour and think about the meaning of life. And there's your answer why sloths never hurry. They literally claim, time is on my side. So buddy, nature once again proves it can amaze and troll us at the same time. So hit the subscribe, smash that like button and stick around because the next fact will blow your mind even more. And remember, if you think you've seen it all, nature will always say, "Hold my beer." J out.